Race for a vaccine, 8 human trials underway, as we've been reporting here, 2 here in the U.S. And tonight, what Oxford researchers are now saying about how soon they could have an answer if their vaccine is working. This is potential good news. There's also news tonight from a vaccine trial right here in the U.S., as we hear tonight from a volunteer in that trial. Here's Kaylee Hartung.
Tonight, the race to find a vaccine intensifying. In Washington state, officials say they're going at record speed using a new process in the first of only 2 trials in the U.S. Neil Browning, a father of 3, volunteering for the experimental vaccine.
So 2 doses and relatively no side effects.
Nothing whatsoever.
In the UK, Oxford's trial is showing the most promise. Researchers say it works on monkeys, and they could get the first results in humans by mid-June.
The intention is to make enough doses so that were it approved in, say, September, we would actually have 30 million doses.
President Trump optimistic about rolling out a vaccine soon.
We are very confident that we're going to have a vaccine at the end of the year.
The former acting head of the CDC casting doubt on whether they can even have a viable vaccine.
There are a number of viral infections, HIV, dengue, where scientists have been working for decades and still haven't come up with a safe and effective vaccine.
Tonight, a potential breakthrough. The FDA fast-tracking emergency use of a Swiss antibody test made by Roche. They say it's 99.8% accurate. According to the FDA, at least 170 companies developed tests for the U.S. Only 12 received emergency authorization. With demand so high, they were all temporarily allowed on the market, even though they didn't prove their reliability. Tonight, a new federal guideline tightening the rules for antibody tests. Emergency authorization requests now must be submitted to continue distribution, an attempt to weed out inaccurate tests. Dr. Rahul Sharma got the virus and then tested positive for its antibodies.
I was also very aware that that did not make me bulletproof or necessarily immune.
So let's get to Kaylee. She's with us live from Los Angeles tonight. And Kaylee, the president saying we could have a vaccine by January. Dr. Anthony Fauci weighing in on this as well, saying it is possible that once they have a likely vaccine, they better start manufacturing and quickly. So ready to go. So when we have approval, it will be ready to give out. But what's the timeline we're really looking at tonight?
Well, David, he has said it will take 6 to 9 months to manufacture and mass produce a vaccine, which means if we want this by January, that window is quickly closing. David?
And they'll be forced to pick which one they take a gamble on. All right, Kaylee.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.